Welcome to our factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how watermelon desserts are made, step by step. Don't forget to subscribe for more behind the scenes videos like this. Today, I'll show you exactly how watermelon desserts are made, tooth out, step by step. Keep them coming, we need to clear this truck fast. Catch.
The precise ratios of watermelon pulp, sugar, and stabilizers are carefully blended, creating this perfect, smooth dessert texture. This graph shows the viscosity holding steady at the target range. The flow resonance. Every batch is refined and tested for quality. Every product is checked before leaving the facility.
That's how watermelon desserts are made. Tank aside, from start to finish.
Today, I'll show you exactly how watermelon desserts are made, tooth out, step by step. How watermelon desserts are made, legs, from start to finish.